Hello, I am Althea Ko and I'm here to talk about and explore a career option that we are all familiar with, especially now that we are still in the middle of a COVID pandemic. I'm talking about the pharmacist. In this audio-visual presentation, we'll all be learning about why I chose this career, what pharmacists do, are pharmacists still in demand in the coming years, where you can work as a pharmacist, how much money do pharmacists make, how many hours do pharmacists work in a week, some pharmacist statistics, what degrees do you need to become a pharmacist, and some benefits of working as a pharmacist. Now let's get down to business. Why did I choose this career? A pharmacist's job perked my interests because for me it plays a substantial role in taking care of the health of the people. Personally speaking, my father suffers from many chronic diseases, and pharmacists both in the Philippines and in Canada played a major role in ensuring the health needs and queries of the family. I would want to make an impact to my community and in society in general by providing apt medical advices on the health and welfare of the people. What do pharmacists do? Pharmacists are the most accessible healthcare professionals in Canada, dispensing and providing advice on 750 million prescriptions per year. Canada's pharmacists are doing more for their patients than ever before. During this pandemic alone, COVID-19 pharmacy involvement are seen through COVID-19 vaccination, rapid point-of-care antigen testing, and specimen collection for PCR tests. Furthermore, they assist customers in their prescription needs. They provide professional advice on drugs and other medications, as well as counter-indications of such drugs if there are existing medical conditions. They provide education to better handle chronic diseases and the management that goes with it. They oversee dispensing, drug inventory, and packaging. They maintain medication profiles of patients, including registering narcotics and controlled drugs. Are pharmacists in demand in the coming years? For pharmacists, over the period 2019 to 2028, new job openings are expected to total 12,500, while 16,600 new job seekers are expected to be available to fill them. Projected job seekers are expected to be substantially higher to job openings, creating a surplus of workers over the 2019-2028 period. However, senior and experienced pharmacists seek opportunities in managerial positions in the health sector, or as retail and wholesale trade managers that lead to pharmacists opening their own drugstore. Where can you work as a pharmacist? Pharmacists can both work in patient and non-patient environments. Patient environments include hospitals, community pharmacies, long-term care and assisted living facilities, family medicine clinics, and Canadian Armed Forces. Non-patient environments include universities, government departments, pharmaceutical companies, quality assurance, insurance companies, and regulatory affairs. How much money do pharmacists make? Well, an average pharmacist makes $91,906 per year, or $47.13 per hour. Entry-level positions make $84,668 per year. Experienced workers make $107,250 per year. How many hours do pharmacists work in a week? The average shift for pharmacists is 8 hours. Pharmacists work up to 40 hours a week. In hospitals and in care institutions, the shifts are round the clock. Did you know that in Canada, 56.8% of all pharmacists are women, while 43.2% are men? That there are 9,564 pharmacy technicians, 42,651 pharmacists, and 10,924 pharmacies? So that means there are 30 pharmacies for every 100,000 Canadians. That means most Canadians live within 5 kilometers of a pharmacy. 70% of pharmacists work in communities, 15% work in industry, government, and academia, and 15% work in hospitals. Ever wonder what degree you need to become a pharmacist? Well, you need to have your bachelor's degree from a Canadian university. You need to have completed a national board examination through the Pharmacy Examining Board of Canada. You need to have practical experience through an internship or an apprenticeship. Ever wonder the perks of working as a pharmacist? You help improve patient outcomes. You are an integral part of the community and you get diverse career options. You get to be a proud member of the healthcare team. You enjoy career stability. And you get to mentor future pharmacists. Pharmacists improve access to healthcare services in communities across the country and reduce costs to our healthcare system. As a pharmacist, your job can be extremely rewarding as you help others throughout their health journey. You experience a wide variety of situations and interact with different patient groups every day, which helps keep your job exciting and fulfilling. Again, this is Althea Co reporting.